Before this vlog starts, I just want to say a massive thank you to my mum and dad for making this weekend so special and treating us, and for making us have just such a memorable, amazing time. Mama, Dada Wheels, I love you. Mwah. Right. So we've had our prees, haven't we?
Prees.
Birthday prees. Yes. It's yeah, I think I did say earlier on that it was your birthday, and that's why we're doing all of these exciting things.
28 tomorrow.
Yeah, I know. And oh, this hill is so steep. Come on, Lauren, you can do it. Oh.
I think I can. You can do it, Peter.
You're doing it, Peter. Anyway, we're on our way to dinner. Oh God, no thank you. There's an outdoor pool there. Oh look, no thank you. It's about 8 degrees centigrade. Ooh, cobblestones. Oh God, my feet are all falling off. Oh, okay.
Sorry.
I'll catch up in a minute. She's actually under the influence and driving.
I'm in heels as well.
Oh, ready for birthday, pre-birthday celebration. I wish I had a better camera. We sat there.
Daisy's choosing the wine for today.
It's breakfast time. It's
Raven, shall I
breakfast
get-
time. Look,
Raven.
Daisy's just
Lauren, shall I get...
looking out. This is the view over the golf course. Yeah, 4:30. And last but no means least, we've got. It's the birthday girl.
Look at me, don't look at me.
To the theatre to see.
Oh goodness.
Aldin.
Surprise!
Wow.
You should say it.
Oh, that would be amazing.
Okay, so we're all squashed up and we're ready to go. Where is he? Darren, give us a hello.
Hi.
There he is.
We can blur you out, Darren, don't we?
Yeah.
That's what they do on Crime Watch.
And we're going to Waterloo. If I wanted to. Waterloo. Finally facing my one. Okay, we clearly don't know all the words. Yeah, we're off to the station. We're going to get the train to Waterloo, and then we are off to some sort of theatre to see a whole new world.
Horizons waiting for us. I'm like a shooting star.
Or Aladdin. Yeah. Take it away, Sean. Are you going to audition while you're there?
Yeah.
Waterloo return. Just Waterloo.
Station time.
Well,
Oh no. Right.
We'll just get on.
We're trying to find the ramp, man. Alright. But we can get on. Sean is a superstar. Superstar ramp man. We're on the train. On the train we made it. It's very exciting. We didn't actually need the ramp because Superman managed to get me up. But they do have special assistance people that come around with ramps, which is really nice to know. And also you can book special assistance as well. So someone will escort you on the platforms if you're travelling on your own, which I think is really good and something I would definitely use if I was on my own.
Yeah.
Oh, there's an Oliver bonus up there. Oliver bonus?
Can't stop me. Can't stop me. That's downstairs.
Oh, nice and easy. Get out. We're all in the black cab. There, I'm squished. I'm here, and then Darren's there.
You're on my toe.
There we go. Yeah. Yep, I think so. Yeah. First dates. Okay, we are out of the taxi. That was quite a squeeze. And now we are on our way
We
to...
could have driven that park right there.
No, there was a car in there just now.
Not anymore.
Oh, I see what you mean, driven. Yeah,
Yeah.
there's disabled bays just here, by the way.
Mark that down for the app.
Where are we? Don't even know where we are.
Leicester Square, aren't we?
Well, we're near Leicester
Close
Square. We're just making our way to Leicester Square now.
Pretty sure. Look
Quite
down there.
squeezing the taxi. So this is Leicester Square, and this is where they have.
Darren.
This is where they have all of the movie premieres. So you may have heard of movie premieres happening at Leicester Square in the UK, and this is where it happens. We've got Lego World here,
Stop.
and we've got
Stop.
M&M World here. It's quite exciting, but I think M&M smell like soup. Have you ever opened up a bag
Ask
and
Daisy
smelled
which
it?
one.
What one do you want to go to?
M&M or Lego?
Or do you want to go to both?
Yeah, but first.
Which one do you want to go first?
Yeah.
Lego, let's do it. You have to queue?
Queued for this one. You might not have to.
Oh my goodness.
You might not.
What do you do when you
Well, there's not really much of a queue, but bad checked and everything. It's exciting. Look at that, Daisy. Look, there's the Houses of Parliament made out of Lego, and there's London Bridge or Tower Bridge. I'm never sure which one it is. Where are we? The Lego's a bit overwhelming, isn't it? What can you see?
London.
Let's have a look. Oh my goodness, these people moved there. Look at it. Look at that. There's a, look, the police are the same size as Daisy.
get a photo of you, Dave? Stand there. Everything is awesome. Everything is cool when you're part of a team. Everything is awesome when you're living a dream.
Floor 1.
Give anyone £100 if they know the rest of the words. Everything is
Everything's
awesome!
Everything is cool when you're part of a team.
Everything is
Opening door.
when you're living a dream.
Oh,
Look, you can see the top.
oh wow, yeah, look. Oh, that is cool. Can you? Yeah, can you?
No, I'm afraid not. So that one is fully glued. So that at least like it starts up like a little bit of inspiration.
We're in M&M world and it absolutely stinks of like M&Ms.
Alright.
It's so sweet. And it is rammed in here.
Can't see.
Let's go crazy for it. $7.95.
Yeah. Massive. I didn't know there was so much stuff.
An M&M fitted blanket.
That's,
It's a blanket.
oh, that's
It looks
a
like that.
lovely
It looks like that.
blanket. Oh,
Peace.
wow.
Aladdin.
Here we are.
Is this where we're dropping Sean up?
We've made it.
I have to go backstage, I'm sorry. I'm okay. Another entrance. Secret entrance.
Here, we made it. We're just going to get our seats. Our seats are amazing. Look,
good seats.
look at this.
You have to do the roll.
The The theatre was completely wheelchair accessible, and we booked accessible seats, and we had a special guide to give us assistance. The show was absolutely amazing. Of course, I wasn't able to film it, but I cannot recommend it highly enough. It was absolutely spectacular. Honestly, if you get the chance to go and see it, it is being shown at the Prince Edward Theatre in the West End. Just been to see Aladdin, and OMG.
OMG.
It was
How did they do the flying carpet?
It was amazing. Oh, I was in tears.
It's real magic.
Like, I was in tears.
Yeah, it was so good.
The magic carpet ride scene was amazing. I have no idea how they did the magic carpet ride.
No couldn't see strings.
There was no strings.
See, like, mechanics.
It was amazing. So
I
good.
still think it's a drone.
Yeah. That's what we think. And the other scene I really loved was when they were in the Cave of Wonders.
I threw something.
That was absolutely fantastic, wasn't it? They were dancing around to that. Oh,
It was so good.
oh, what an amazing birthday you've had.
I know. Wait.
Wait.
We got the program.
Oh my god. Let me see.
Aladdin there.
Oh.
She's blushing.
Genie bear.
Oh, it's a genie bear.
He's got earrings as well.
Oh my goodness.
Like, benefit of the doubt, he didn't have the key to get it out.
No.
Yeah, but he didn't say that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He didn't get out. Like, the guy
And he took us round the houses.
and he got out to help
The
you
guy
in and
at the
out.
other one couldn't have been helpful enough.
Yeah, he really helped with the ramp and
Get your goods, get your bag.
You do though. This is the thing. So on the way home, on the way back to the Waterloo, thank you Daisy. On the way back to the station, we tried to get a cab, and the taxi man took a look at us and was like, "No, I don't have a ramp." When he clearly did. He just didn't want to get out. We saw the ramp. He just didn't want to get out, and I have heard that this does happen. So yeah, which is a shame. But we had a nice one on the way.
And he
So,
took us
very
round the
nice.
houses.
yeah. Oh yeah. So our
£7
taxi there was.
more.
oh no,
Yeah.
our taxi there was £10 exactly, and our taxi back was £17
Maybe it's the traffic.
exactly.
It wasn't really traffic though, was
We
it?
went
I don't know.
further
The
away
only
from
traffic
where we
was
were.
him driving all the way around not to drop us off in front of the train station.
So we're going back to the hotel now, and we're going to have some birthday dinner, and that's going to be it from me, I think. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog.
Yeah,
Thumbs up
they kind
and
of
subscribe
didn't
if you
agree.
haven't already. And yeah, we'll see you next time.
Wait.
Bye.
Bye, bye, bye,
Everyone say
bye,
goodbye.
bye, bye.
Jeffrey, say goodbye.
Bye.
Are you there?
Something stinks. Like so bad.
Smells like
So bad.
mum's brie.
It does. It does smell like.
A rat
Smells like
has
your mum's
definitely
brie.
died.
I'm sure there must be some in here somewhere.
It smells a bit like. I think it smells like bin.
You know bottom?
Bottom.
Inside of a bottom.
Inside of a bottom.
That's what it smells like.
That's so gross. I don't think it does. Although I don't think it smells so bad in the front.
I'm glad.
But I'm actually thinking that once we're back home and
You're
stuff,
going to find the
I'm
rat
going-
that has died in your car?
I'm going to get it valeted or whatever it's called. Anyway.